might have another word. Okay, no. Whoa! I think the flashlight just CRX Paranormal. I'm back at Riverside in another area where veterans are buried. Let's see what happens. We got the sounds of war going on. Shout out to Tennessee Ray Chaser. They tried this once. It seemed to work. It seemed like it got the spirits moving some. I got the ghost tool app going on over there. I'll let you know if we get any words. Can you tell me your name? You can light one of those devices up, either that box or that flashlight. I could miss it going off though, but let me try something else. I want to see try another ambient sound and see what happens. I got hunt. First word is hunt. I'm going to have to definitely feel is my next word. Okay, I'm going to let that still play, but it's in my pocket, but I'm sure they can still hear it. Can you... I might have another word. Okay, no. Whoa! I think the flashlight just hit. Can you do that again? I'm pretty sure it lit up. The camera should have caught it if so. Can you make that light go on again? Are you hunting the enemy? Is that what you meant by hunt? If you're hunting an enemy, can you light that up? Let me get this. Maybe we can see that a little better now. I think I made that flash if you saw a flash on that K2. So on the word feel. Is your name Phil? Is it Philip? Maybe that's what it meant. The headstone says Gary here. If I do miss that go off, guys, I'm sorry, but I'm kind of looking around to see if I see a... I mean, the word is Phil, F-I-L-L, but it could have meant, it, you know, like Phil or Philip or something like that, maybe. Okay, I don't see one right off. Is your name Philip? If so, will you light something up? I could have swore earlier that flashlight went off. I could be wrong, but I think it did. Okay, so I spent a bit looking around for a Philip. I didn't go down the other way yet, but thought I would stop it. I want to just try the flashlight. Just try one thing at a time here. Can you light that up? Put your hand on it, put your energy into it. Turn the light on. I still got the ambient war sound going on. Got raid. You're gonna raid something. I got to work, well, raid real quickly. Okay, it didn't flash, so. Are we going to raid somebody's bunker or home or something? What are we raiding? Feel raindrops coming through. Got interrupt. Well, raid would be an interruption, that's for sure. We're going to interrupt somebody's meeting or something? We're going to go attack? If we're going to go attack, can you light that flashlight up so I'll know so we can go? May try the K2 for a bit. Flashlights can be sometimes easy, sometimes hard. K2 seems to be a little easier for them to do. Let me just remove the flashlight and you can kind of see what I deal with sometimes with changing stuff out. Alright, let me put this in my other pocket. Okay, so we got the word mission. A lot of words, yeah. Okay, so we're on a mission. Can you light that up? If we're what kind of mission are we on? First of all, who are we taking down? Still the word mission. K2 didn't click when I was showing you that. I could miss it going off. I was checking. I thought I was going to change words again. May. Okay. We're going to attack in May. Now this was a battle in Civil War. This land that I'm on right now, where the cemetery is, before there ever was a cemetery, people fought on this land. I don't know the extent of death or anything like that, what happened, but when I get words, I sometimes wonder if I'm just talking to a Civil War, somebody who died on this land that's not buried here by chance. Slavery? Maybe I am the Civil War. None of the headstones here are Civil War though. It's like World War. I think go back to World War II, things like that. World War I, I believe. A cook? No, I'm not a cook. I try, but I don't cook though. A lot of, okay, I'm going to say it's Civil War. I think we're in a Civil War era. Can you light this up if we're fighting in the Civil War? Got gray. Okay, guys, so I paused for a bit. There's a big bunch of wind starting to come through, so I just gave it some time to kind of die down again. But remember, I'm talking about Civil War now. Through here, I don't think, you're talking like 1932 is what I'm saying. So I don't believe there's any Civil War people here. But gray is, of course, the Confederate Army. We talk about raid, mission. It's interesting what we're getting. And I think this ambient sound is helping out a lot. I'm not really 100% sure, but I think it's helped out some. So I know that wind is picking up heavy again. But let me get the ghost tool and you'll see gray. It could be a last name of somebody, but I'm think we're leaning towards Civil War here. Council. Okay, Civil War Council. Want to counsel our troops. This is wild. And I mean, you can still hear. I've just been letting this play in my pocket, just letting it be, letting the sounds. I thought it was another word. Just letting the sounds generate through here. But again, a shout out to Tennessee Ray Chasers for that. It was several years ago they tried that out, and I believe it was in Gettysburg. You know, versus Confederates versus Union. But I seen like Willie. I've seen a couple Williams and Willies. I got feel maybe it means Will. I don't know. Sometimes I've asked spirits before. You know, did you mean this name when I got something that was totally different? I think it was like maybe W.H. Brown. Okay, so I don't see. But I've asked him, you know, did you mean this certain name when I got like Phil versus the name Philip or something like that? And it would confirm, yeah, there's a William. I don't know, but I think got nothing else for a bit here on this ghost tool. It's been quiet now. Let me get back over here in this section because this seemed to be the hot spot area that I was talking about. Maybe there was some soldiers who died on this area of the land. Maybe this was it or something. And but you know, nothing right now. But you have to find that hot spot. Once you do, it does help. Brutus, that's a cool name. I like that name. Well, there's a wrestler called Brutus the Barber Beefcake. Am I still talking to a soldier? Got staff. Okay. Just words that would kind of fall in line with, you know, war and stuff. It's interesting. Oh. Okay, well, let's get a little bit better here. Maybe we're back in the, because this right here is where I had the flashlight just a little bit ago. So maybe, we'll see if we get more words. Let me go. So we're doing a little better over here. So what I'm telling you guys, sometimes you just got to find the hot spot. And you got to be able to, find the hot spot with this thing apparently. I mean, I've been using it for the last few years. And I've gotten pretty good confirmations out of it, which is why I keep using it. And it seems to help out. Still on the word staff, but it seems to help out pretty good. I mean, there's words you get sometimes you're like, I don't understand. What do you mean, or is it even related to this? But there's been a lot of times. I mean, at home where I have family members who come through, their names have come through, or something they liked, or something they did, or whatever comes through. So that wind's picking back up again. I was filming up here earlier where the other veterans area is, and it started sprinkling some, so I stopped. Then as I was leaving, or starting to leave, it quit and the wind quit, and so I thought I'd try here. So I still got, maybe you can hear that. I can hear the, I'm getting bugs up there too, drive me nuts. Okay guys, I'm going to cut it here. I definitely will try this again. Let me know what you think about the ambient sound of war. I will try this at another Civil War cemetery and see if there's anything that might happen there. It's possible, but the words we're getting were very much related to war, but most of this would be like World War II as far as soldiers buried here. But now, like I said, Civil War fought through here, so maybe that's what I was picking up more than anything. It's what it seemed like. So, but we'll try it again, and until next time, God bless. See you soon.